Dear children, let's talk about suffix. Suffix comes at the end of a word. For example, in happiness, ness is suffix. In a verb, the word is jumped. The ed is the suffix. And the word helpful, full, ful is suffix. So there are a lot of suffixes like ly, es, ful, full, ing, plus, est. So children, suffixes are word endings that change the meaning of a word.
Thanks for watching, dear friends. Don't forget to tap subscribe, hit like, and share this video with your buddies. Stay tuned with Creative Kids.